I'm here with the Captiva Designs 4-burner propane gas grill. I've had this grill for a little over 6 months now, and I must say this thing definitely delivers. It is not only a nice size gas grill because it has a 4-burner surface with cast iron grates, but it's also a beautiful looking stainless steel gas grill. I use this to house all my parties and also dinners over the summers and everything for entertainment. And on a daily usage, I've been using this thing a lot. So I can definitely shed some light on some of the key features that to me really makes a lot of sense and matters when it comes to an avid barbecuer like myself. Now, the surface area of the grill itself is very nice and wide. It has cast iron grates which don't rust at all. It seems that it doesn't stick to any of the food that I put on here as well. And these burners get really hot. This is a 42,000 BTU unit, so that means this thing is going to fire up and get hot fast, and it holds its temperature nice. It also has a bottle opener in case you want to crack open a beer, and it also has a stove on the very right side of the grill in case you want to fry up some eggs to go with that steak. Now, it wouldn't be a full review if I wouldn't be able to show you how it grills chicken, so let me go ahead and show you that. That about wraps up my review on the Captiva 4-burner propane gas grill, and I highly recommend it.